Hey guys, in this video, we will be learning how to make mirror with texture. Alright, let's get started. So as you can see, I have my layout ready. Alright, so I can just go inside into my 3D. Okay, so I'll be creating the mirror on this wall, so we can always use the ceiling function. So click onto our customize ceiling function. Next, we click on the background wall design. Okay, so for the first step, we can always draw a rectangle. Okay, so just create the shape of a mirror. Alright, so if let's say you want to have a round mirror, you can use the circle. So once I have my rectangle, the next thing I'm going to do is we can offset. Okay, so I can offset, just type in my offset. So I have two layers right now. I would like to create one more layer. So I am going to offset another one. Alright, so right now altogether I have total of 3 layers. Okay, so once we are done drawing our mirror, okay, we can actually put in texture. Alright, so for this one, I will use a neutral color. Okay, so for the centerpiece and the outer piece, we are going to put a mirror material. Okay, so for this one, the thin, okay, the centerpiece, okay, we are going to put in gray color. So just drag it onto our 3D. Alright, as you can see. So next, we can always return and go to our cloud finishes. We can select metallic glass, and then we can always drag in a mirror material. Okay, so as you can see, it looks something like that. Alright, and once you render, there you have it. So this is how to make mirror with texture. Good luck trying, guys.